is more on a meat side, beef and lamb and goat.
I'm back again. I'm Farah. I'm mother of 4 boys and bunch of grandbabies. And today I'm making keema aloo.
Keema is the ground
Keema
beef.
is the ground beef or mutton or whatever meat is ground is a keema. Anyway, it's a 2 pound of keema and
Right, so it's 2 pound keema.
3
This
cups
case.
of water.
3 cups of water. We break it into water.
Yeah, 2 spoons of cayenne peppers. Same quantity of coriander powder and cumin powder. Salt
And turmeric.
and turmeric.
There we go.
Cup of oil.
Oil. It can be any vegetable oil, or
We are using the olive oil.
I'd even use any.
So 1 large size
Tomato.
tomato and half of the onion
And
a little bit of ginger.
about
Yeah,
2
a
ounces
piece
of
garlic ginger paste. Put all the ingredients together.
and let it cook.
We will cook the potatoes. It is very easy to cook actually. Put all the ingredients together in the ground beef. Once it's ready, just add the potatoes and yeah. Once the oil comes up, then we will dish it out. You can try with the white rice or with the naan. It's so delicious. If you have leftovers, you can make Indian and Pakistani style of tacos too, or make the sandwiches. It's really good.